Alright y'all, today is like 45, 46 days in a deeper state keto, concept here, and I have not yet given you an updated InBody scan because we've been just traveling and going crazy chaotic mode. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. It's kind of funny, y'all. I'm honestly not really excited about doing this InBody scan because I don't feel like I've improved. In fact, I feel like I've probably gotten worse, which from like marketing and DSK protocol or standpoint is not good or beneficial whatsoever. However, I'm not really surprised by that for a couple reasons. One, I've been traveling. Two, honestly, I started with way higher caloric intake than I would recommend for anybody doing the protocol because I'm in an off season right now. I'm just now tapping into like tipping point macros, so the next time I do a scan there should be a substantial change, but I honestly don't expect much to change this time. However, rather than like skewing the data or being dishonest with y'all, I'm just gonna go in there, get my bad result, share it with y'all, and it's gonna be what it's gonna be. What do you think I am, Crystal?
Well, look at these muscles though.
What do you think I am?
I'm gonna say 12 and a half.
12 and a half? I don't remember what I was last time. I have to go look.
I don't remember
but
what it was either.
We'll check it out. And again, these past 45 days have been an inaccurate reflection because we've been traveling. Our nutrition, I've been hitting macros pretty good, but my macros have been higher and training's been all over the place, wonky. I only got 3 hours of sleep last night, so I'm holding water from that. It's just very skewed, but for the sake of transparency, let's go get it done. Ladies first.
Still while weight is measured.
Alright y'all, results are in just as I expected. Went up in body fats. Last time I was at 11.2% with 90.8 skeletal muscle mass, and my weight was 177 pounds, and my total body water was 115.3. Keep that in mind, 115.3. This time I was 114 on the total body water, which makes sense because I'm dehydrated right now. Lack of sleep doesn't help. So when your body water is lower, it's going to reflect a higher body fat percentage and a lower muscle mass percentage. I didn't actually gain that body fat percentage or lose that muscle. That's just a fluctuation in water. And then my weight is 2 pounds heavier, and then it's showing my body fat at 13.2, which again is probably a little lower due to the water. As I said though, this is kind of what I expected. Right now, my daily caloric intake is, wait for it, 2,630 calories roughly. So 2,630 calories. My maintenance is right around 2,500 calories. So I don't really anticipate much of a drop in body fat until I get below the 2,500 calories. So again, I started at the higher caloric intake because I'm in the off season right now. Didn't anticipate much of a body fat percentage drop. Next time I do this InBody, I'll be at a lower caloric intake and hopefully I'll have more consistency with my traveling schedule. So you should see a pretty substantial drop in body fat there. Does the increase now mean that the protocol doesn't work? No. Does the increase now mean that I'm losing muscle and gaining body fat? No, not really. But it does illustrate the importance of consistency. So I'm excited to show you kind of phase 2 with a more consistent schedule, training and nutrition, how things can really get dialed in. So let's keep killing it. What do you think, baby? Is your man losing his gains?
Not
No?
a chance.
Not a chance?
Not a chance.
Nah. Post InBody celebration of Starbucks.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever.
So good. Alright y'all, I'm actually glad this happened the way it did because it gives me an opportunity to talk about the importance of sticking with it and trusting the process. Again, since I started at a high caloric intake, I'm not really surprised by this. If you started at a lower caloric intake, like as was recommended by the course, you may be getting frustrated if you're not seeing the progress you want, but stick with it, y'all. There's so much happening internally right now in my body It's gonna set the stage, lay the foundation for my body fat to drop in the coming weeks. So I'm basically priming myself for a drop in body fat as I reach that tipping point in macros, and the same is happening with you. You know, stick with it, don't get discouraged, don't focus on the scale alone, take pictures, take measurements. We say this all the time, it could not be more true. You know, with me not seeing any drop in weight and actually seeing an increase in weight and an increase in body fat and a decrease in muscle mass, it'd be easy to get discouraged and depressed and feel like it's not working and nothing's happening. That's not even true. I guarantee you, I'll be looking leaner, I will be leaner by the end of this 90-day course, following the protocol to a T, even despite all the chaos of the traveling and the lack of sleep and yada yada yada. So just stay tuned, keep killing it, keep trusting the process, keep hitting your macros, keep hitting the gym, and see the magic happen. Let's do it. Also, y'all, today is Wednesday, so if you're in a one-day ship point from us here in Arkansas, you're likely going to be getting your keto bricks today. Most of y'all probably get them tomorrow. We'd love to hear any feedback you have, how they hold up in the heat with the shipping. Do they taste great? Do they taste like nastiness? Let us know. We love
Never
anything.
Never gonna taste like nastiness, so.
Yeah, let us know. We'd love to hear any feedback you have, any suggestions, anything and everything. I love the day after shipping, or the day when everybody starts getting the bricks in, because it's just cool to see y'all with a tangible, physical product that we made and love. It's just cool. So let us know. Y'all enjoy. I'm doing a quick little run into Natural Grocers to get some Teton Waters sausage, because they're like the best thing for hitting macros easily, especially while on the road.
We're having a date night tonight, and we're making steaks.
Making steaks
And
and
asparagus.
asparagus.
These are huge.
Quick little pro tip here. When you're eating pink Himalayan salt, you're not getting the iodine that's present in normal iodized salt. So I'm going to try supplementing with that. I'm going to get some kelp iodine. Anything that's like seafood's got a lot of iodine in it, so I'm going to get some kelp capsules with iodine. How many milligrams we have? 300 mcgs of iodine. By the way, y'all, in case you're wondering why iodine, iodine is an essential makeup of thyroid hormone. So if you are deficient in iodine, not eating enough seafood or anything, you may be deficient there and suffer from hypothyroidism. It can contribute to that, so make sure you get your iodine. Crystal just snagged a deal here. Look at this.
What am?
The unflavored, unsweetened Kite Hill at an incredibly low price of $3.99. Grab some of those, baby doll. Alright, y'all. Time to stock up. These are the bomb diggity. Most sausages got all kinds of preservatives. These do not. These are delicious. Alright, when you find something that works, you just capitalize on it, you stock up. Every single one of these flavors has 14 grams of fat, 9 grams of protein. We have cheddar and mild jalapeno. We got 2 of those. We got a spicy and dewy sausage. 2 of those. We got Polish kielbasa sausage. 2 of those. And then the black pepper and coriander. Stocking up. Boom. Oh yeah, look at the quality food in this cart. Alright, y'all, this may be my new favorite thing. Kite Hill plain unsweetened yogurt with peely nut butter with the lion's mane mixed up in there. Check out the macros on this concoction. We have, let's go focus, 24 grams of protein, 11 grams of carbs, 79 grams of fat. That is what I'm talking about. I mean, just look at that, y'all. Look at that. That is delicious. I'm about to dig in. Boom, y'all. Steak night, ribeye, steak night. Crystal, I'm making you a date night.
I'm super excited.
Yeah, you're all blurry right now. Why are you so blurry? There you go. Excited?
I'm really excited.
You hungry?
Yeah, and asparagus is in the oven.
Ribeyes and asparagus. Yeah, buddy. Alright y'all, pro tip on your steaks. Or at least this is how I like them. Cook them hot, cook them quick, cook them low, close to the coals. That way you get a nice char on there. That way that medium rare is good in the middle. Good stuff. Alright y'all, we have our grilled asparagus with Parmesan cheese. And then we have our steaks. And Crystal's got a smile on her face. We're about to dig in. We'll catch y'all tomorrow. We're headed into Little Rock tomorrow. We got some surprising news coming up, but we'll hold off on that until tomorrow. So, catch you later. Alright y'all, real quick, before I cut this vlog for the day, I have a huge question/request. My KetoCon speech presentation PowerPoint thing is due Friday. So, tomorrow. I haven't written it yet. So, not good. I have been thinking about what I want to write, and I work best under pressure, so I am intentionally procrastinating so that I'm even better in my delivery. However, I'd be very curious to get your feedback on what you want to hear, what you want to learn, what you want me to talk about. You want me to do like motivational, more technical? Just let me know. I'd love to incorporate your desires into my presentation. So, comment below. I'll be reading them, like I do all of them. Thank you very much. Have a great day, good evening, and good night.